What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Tates and welcome back to the channel. Now, this video, I kind of did it and I kind of didn't. I went to the exhaust shop, I got the exhaust done, and then I went to the tuner shop and I got my rear O2s tuned out, and I ended up just having to basically scrap all of the footage because I was not happy with the way any of it turned out. No, I figured it'd probably be better if I actually give a pretty good review on the exhaust as well, because yes, the exhaust is very loud. Yes, it sounds good. But I just went on a basically total of close to like 15 hours worth of driving road trip. I drove to Valdosta, Georgia. Then I drove from Valdosta to Atlanta. From Atlanta back to Valdosta. And then Valdosta back to Lady Lake, Florida, where I currently live. And that drive kind of showed me that I don't like my exhaust. If you don't do a lot of highway driving, you might love it. You might enjoy it and it'll be perfect for you. But for me, I do highway drive with my truck and I can't have exhaust drone because it is terrible. So let me tell you guys what I got done. You guys know I have the Longtubes and the Catless Y pipe. And if you haven't already seen that video, it'll be the top link in the description. Please go check it out. It was me installing the Longtube headers. I heat wrapped them and I did a Catless Y pipe. We got rid of the stock manifolds and the stock cats, and it's the video is kind of all over the place as well, but it turned out to be a pretty good video. For what I had put on my plate, it turned out pretty good in my opinion. So I have the headers, I have the Catless Y pipe, and then I just got true duals to an X pipe all the way back to 4-inch tips, and I mean, it sounds great. Honestly, it sounds amazing. I love the way it sounds. I don't like that it has clap to it, but for what it is, it does sound really good. And it's got a nice loud tone to it, so if you like a loud truck, I suggest this. The pipe is 2.5-inch pipe to a 2.5-inch in and out X pipe, but I do plan on putting mufflers on very, very soon because yes, it sounds great, but it does have a terrible drone. So it is not cold outside. This is Florida. It's like 92 right now at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but we're gonna give a cold start of the truck so you guys can hear what it sounds. I'll do some end cab and I'll do kind of everything I did for the headers with the stock exhaust. We'll just do that in this video. Okay, so you heard the startup, you heard the rev. I didn't go over 3,000 RPMs when I revved that. And you can tell, I don't know how well the camera picks it up because I know videos never do anything justice, but it is very loud. And it is obnoxiously loud. It's not just straight piped, it's long tubes, no cats, straight pipe. Like my Ford is loud, but it's a different type of loud. And this is my daily driver. So it being this loud is kind of annoying. So now we're gonna do an in-cab sound, kind of just like I did with the headers. It's gonna be taken off, not going over like 3,000 RPMs, just so you guys can get a good feel for how loud it is, really. And I'm gonna apologize real quick if the camera's like foggy or anything like that. In Florida, humidity and heat is so high outside that anytime anything from inside where it's cold comes outside, it fogs up. And it's not just the lens anymore, it's inside my lens that is fogging. I actually tried taking my lens apart to try and wipe it all down, but it's not helping. As you can tell, I wipe it down, nothing's changed. The glass just kind of needs to warm up, and that's all there is to it. Now, it does have pop to it. That is like the one thing that I don't really like. It's got that like pop clap that all them Carolina and Yee boys really like. Clap. It's got the clap. I got a clapped out shit box now. And I don't like it. Okay, so just like the header video, we're gonna take off, get a sound clip of me going at it, and you guys can get an exterior sound of it actually under a load. Not just revving it, because it does sound different when it's under a load. I'm gonna throw you guys down on the ground and I'm gonna get after it. Okay, now that you guys have heard it, let me give you a little look at my dirty exhaust tips. Just normal 4-inch pipes, nothing fancy. Now that you guys have seen the tips and seen the edge pipe, what do you guys think? How does it sound? Do you guys like it? Do you guys think I should keep it? Or do you think I should put mufflers on it? Because I'm like 150% putting mufflers on it because the drone is terrible. And I can now say that from experience. It's why I chose to redo this video and not upload the old video, because I have a lot more understanding of this exhaust now. When I got it done, I loved it. I was like, wow, this is loud, sounds great, blah, blah, blah. But I hadn't been on a road trip with it. I've now driven probably 15 hours in the last, I'd say 2 days with this exhaust, and not for me. The drone is terrible. After like 2 hours, you have a headache, your ears are ringing. It's annoying, and I don't want it anymore. Like, to be completely honest, I don't want that anymore. But if you guys have any other suggestions, any other exhaust companies you want me to work with and see if we can get some of their mufflers put on this truck, please drop a comment down below and let me know. If you're new here, guys, please go down and hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. I know I'm guilty of the same thing, of watching someone's videos over and over again, but not actually being subscribed to them. And just one day you realize, you're like, wow, I've watched the last 20 of this person's videos and I've never actually clicked that subscribe button. Please, if you're watching this and you watch my other videos, or if this is your first time here, please go down and hit that subscribe button. I'm always uploading different content, all DIY. I do everything myself. I install the headers myself, install a heat wrap. The only thing I didn't do was, you know, put the exhaust itself on because I don't have a pipe bender. I have a welder now, I could weld the exhaust, but I don't have a pipe bender. If you're a returning subscriber and you've been watching my videos, you've been with me for any amount of time, I need your opinion. I want to start vlogging, but I am absolutely terrible at vlogging. I suck at it. It's not something I normally do. I'm more of an install, DIY, how to, anything like that. That's just how I am. I don't vlog. That's why I'm so bad at it. But I want to start vlogging more because that opens more opportunities for me. That opens truck meet videos. That opens going places, doing small things that wouldn't normally fit into just one video, that I could show behind the scenes of how things go on, anything like that. If that is something you guys would be interested in, please drop a comment down and let me know, because I would love to start vlogging, but I don't want to do it if you guys aren't going to like it. And you guys are the whole reason I upload. If you guys don't like it, unless I absolutely just would love to do it, I'm not going to do it, and that's just how I am. So if you guys would like to see some vlogs, I can try doing maybe like a daily vlog for a week straight, just post 7 videos in a row and see how they turn out. And if you guys like them, I can keep up doing things like that. Or I can just post 3 videos in a row on a weekend, like do a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or a Friday, Saturday, Sunday type deal, and just do something like that. But I want your guys' support, and if you guys would like to see that, I would gladly do it for you guys. I would gladly put in that grind and try and do it. I need to find something else to keep busy on YouTube, but keep something that you guys are going to love and want to watch. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would like to know more about the exhaust, please drop a comment down below and I will answer any questions that I can. I try to respond to every single one of you the best that I can, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.